Today I'll be showing you how I did my makeup for Charlie from HazbinHotel. I'm trying out a new method often used in cosplay makeup, using transparent surgical tape to make my jawline appear slimmer. You want to try to latch onto the area underneath your cheekbone closest to your ear. Make sure your skin is clean and free of oil and powder. Pull the tape over your head and pull the skin on the other side of your face the same way, and try to catch it onto the tape. If you put the tape too far from your ear, the tape will start stretching and folding the skin around your eyes. The point of this trick is to essentially tuck away that extra fat in your cheeks and neck and to give yourself a slimmer, sharper jawline. This trick does not work well if you have a wig without sideburns or enough hair to cover the tape. After that, I'm painting my full face with white face paint. Unfortunately, my skin was not doing well today and was not taking well to the face paint. It's possible it was due to the oils in my skin and making the paint layers too heavy. In retrospect, I hear that if you have this problem, using primers or sometimes mixing a little bit of lotion into your face paint helps in some cases. Either way, I did not end up doing that and suffered problems later on. After the general layer is applied, I start with the shadows. These include around the eyes, nose, and jawline. I'm now adding on the pink hues around the edges of the eyes and her signature round cheek marks. I'm using a bronze and brown eyeshadows as the lighter shades, as it felt more fitting for Charlie's personality. Even though I already slimmed down my jawline, I'm still drawing on a fake jawline to further slim down the face to her more cartoonish look. Because her hair is blonde, having a light color like brown act as the shadow might be a better choice than black. Now that the gradients are all set, I'm going in with black face paint and drawing the bottom eyelids beyond my waterline to make my eyes appear larger. I am also drawing a new eyelid line above my own to further make the eyes appear larger. After that, I draw in my eyebrows. Matching the start of the brow closer to where your own brow starts allows them to follow your own expressions better. Often, it's the end of your eyebrows that really define your character's overall default expression. Her lip line I drew closer to her character's look, so no Cupid's bow this time. After the shading is complete and dry, I go back with white face paint and draw on the lip highlights to give the illusion that they're glossy, since putting on actual lip gloss would wipe away the face paint. Finally, put in some fake eyelashes and go over any faded out areas with black face paint, and you're ready to put on the wig. The contacts worn in this video were sponsored by LensVillage.com. I found these lenses very comfortable, although they do slide around a little bit. But they are comfortable enough to wear while putting on makeup, and I've worn them for 8 hours before without any issues. They also come with prescription, which is pretty essential for me since I do wear glasses. A downfall I noticed was that in certain lighting, the contacts can appear a bit more greenish than yellow, I noticed. It's probably because they are somewhat transparent and the brown of my eyes mixes with the yellow, making it appear somewhat green, I guess? The yellow fades as a gradient towards the pupil of the eye, making a good natural transition to brown eyes. They also extend well beyond the normal iris, making the eyes appear bigger. As an extension to this cosplay, there was also my Demon Charlie version, which is an add-on to my original cosplay. For this version, I made custom thermoplastic dentures, tutorial coming soon, as well as 3D printed horns that were digitally modeled in Blender, exported through Cura, and then sent to my Ender 3 3D printer to print. The horns have a circular base under the wig, and I took 2 nails and hammered them from the base into the horns. My original intention was to have pegs built into the bases, but those broke off easily due to the grain of the 3D print, similar to wood. The hands were white pantyhose socks sewn down and reinforced with nail polish at the edges, and then painted with acrylic for shadows and attached fake nails onto. For the updated makeup, I wiped out my original eyebrows and redrew them, as well as extended my lip line upwards to give a more sinister look. I put in my thermodentures and switched out my eye contacts with scleras, and filled in the whites of the extended eyes with black to match the black scleras. I had to work fast as my eyes can only last about 3 to 4 hours in scleras before they start really drying out, and my second look was complete. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check in the description for information on Lens Village contacts and other products used in this video. See you later!